क्या स्कोर हो गया यहाँ पे? You got 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to request, please grab your ID cards, which are very important.
मिला क्या?
Thank you. Stay around. अपने पार्टनर का हाथ पकड़ के रखना है. जो भी टास्क है आपको एक साथ करना है. You're not supposed to leave your hand for another 60 seconds. मिनी एंड मैक्सी गेम का नाम 1 मिनट में एक चीज मंगाऊंगा. वो चीज आप दोनों टीम्स में से जो सबसे ज्यादा लेके आएगा उसको हम एक गिफ्ट दे देंगे. So all the best. Within 1 minute जो चीज आपको यहाँ लेकर आनी है वो है ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेड्स. 3, 2, 1, go. Music, pump it up. जल्दी, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 60 seconds. Come on, ladies. 60 seconds maximum for the way. That's the game. Come on. Let's see who won. Come on, guys, hit them off. That's the game. Jaldi se. Got around 5 more seconds. 14 more seconds. Keep running. Around 1 more seconds. 30 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out. Let's see what the score is. Keep it up. How do you go? What is the score?
8, 9.
Alright, so the score is the team got 9 bits. They had tried very well, but then 6 for the score. Oh, big congratulations to the winners. Girls, keep it down. And guys, help yourself. Come, grab your games. Watch it closely. We'll go for a bit. Thank you so much. Congratulations again. Guys, now what we can do is we are starting up with the next game. You make your team get ready so that we can start up with the game, the one you haven't tried before. Lot of fun, lot of musties with the Shine 2013 the making. We have just started. Come on. Yeah? Go and make your team see. Some of the players are standing up there. We need 10 to 10 from each team. 10 players here, play with us. 10 guys. Come on, what are the girls up there? You can ask these girls. You can ask them. Right. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. So that's it. 10 on 10. ठीक है? कोई भी दिक्कत तो 9 प्लेयर्स चाहिए. जैसे ही पूरे 10 हो जाएंगे, कम दिस सेक्शन हम यहाँ पे खेलेंगे. Come. All right. Can I have the captain? This one, all basketball. You your captain. And now. जैसे ही म्यूजिक स्टार्ट होगा, you need to pass this ball over the head. Make sure that आपको थ्रो नहीं करना है, हर एक के हाथ में बॉल जानी चाहिए. ठीक है? Come on, pass it on over the head. Pass over the head. Stop the music. Stop the music. Pass. Wait. The moment last member of the team gets that ball, you need to pass it on again, but this time under the legs. Pass. Under the legs, pass. Jaldi. Come on. This is just the 50% of the game. The moment this ball reaches to the first member, nice everyone. Can I get attention? The moment this ball reaches to the first member, you need to put it right there between the legs. I'll be standing there, you need to walk. You need to walk, and then you need to take a U-turn. And you need to do a step called Ooh La La. You have to do this step called Ooh La La. Come back, give this ball to the next member. जैसे अपने ball देंगे, your task is done. You can go and stand there. Then again you need to pass over the head, under the legs. Ooh La La, pass it over here. The team, whoever manages to do this first, will be the winner. जो team task पहले खत्म करेगी, वो जीत जाएगी. अरे मेरे की बात नहीं है. on the head, you need to pass, then under the legs, and then that's it. Alright, so now get ready. Alright, guys, get ready to cool teams. Name the game full ala. Turn on the music. 3, 2, 1, go. Pass, pass, pass. ऊपर से जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. Under the legs, under the legs, under the legs. Alright. You need to be fast. Walk, 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 walk. I said walk. You need to walk. Step. Ulala, yes. Ulala. Oh, sharp, fast, fast, fast. Keep it. Step back. Step back. You need to stand down to each other. Walk, just walk. Ulala. Pass it out. पीछे, keep my toes. पीछे, आगे देखो, पीछे रहो. Come on, जल्दी. Hey, keep it again. Walk. Ulala, yes. Fast. Ulala. Faster, boys. Fast. Keep moving. Walk. Just to walk. Take it over, easy. Ulala. Come on, easy. Come on, guys. Walk. Just walk. Ulala. Pass it out to the next member. Come on, everybody. Yes. Walk. Take it up. Walk. Coming up with the next session, within the next 5 minutes, going to be lot of fun. This is Shine 2013. Don't make it. We're going to have a lot of fun with all these exciting people and a lot of excitement coming up just to listen to.
Hello and a very good evening, everyone. This is the making of Shine 2013. We're having a lot of fun right here. This is Sunny, your buddy for now, coming up with the gang members, management team. Come this way. All right. Hi. Good evening, sir. What's your name?
My name is Shrikant.
Shrikant. How's it going?
It's going very well. We are dancing like we never thought we could, and we are having fun. We are having exercise, and we're all geared up to actually put on our costumes and go dance in front of people.
Well, fantastic. And just tell me this one key. It's too difficult to match up the set with Michael, the choreographer?
He's good, so he's making sure that it's not too difficult for us.
All right. And any one more thing you would like to add on with the couple of your colleagues? You're having a lot of fun. So one element you are just focusing, apart from your hectic schedule of your work. So at the end, you just have fun. Any one thing you would like to mention on that?
We're just focusing on the chicken dance for Gangnam Style, nothing else.
Well, fantastic. Well, that was we have got some couple of more teammates would like to give it a try. Anyone, the one in maroon t-shirt. So welcome everyone. I can see the lovely faces out there. And for now, हम आ गए हैं M-Talk floor 1 North Wing में, and we got a huge gang right there. Let's just go. Come. Hey guys, how you doing? यार बड़े serious हो गए आप लोग. Be natural यार. हाँ? Feel free. All right. So आप में से कौन मुझे बताएगा? The gentleman sitting right here next to us. Hi. What's your name?
महेश.
महेश जी कितने साल से M-Talk में आप?
5 साल से.
5 साल से. तो आपने 5 साल से एनुअल डे भी एंजॉय किए होंगे.
हाँ.
Okay, so what does Shine mean to you?
Shine is a, it's a great event for the all the employees, and it's good to have fun enjoyment in a year. All are together and we are really enjoying it.
And how different हर साल किस तरह different होता है annual day आपका? Because Shine 2013 coming up with some lot of elements, surprises. और I would like to ask you this main question actually कि M-Dog किस तरह आपको shine करता है?
M-Dogs is हर तरह से शाइन करता है.
Well, I can understand it's a little jazzy, but I can see some of the faces out there जो काफी गिगी कर रहे थे. Would like to try this one? Anyone from the gang? Hi, the gentleman. Alright, क्या नाम है आपका?
Hi, I'm Deepak.
दीपक, give me some experience. कैसा था आपका? आपने इससे पहले एक annual day enjoy किया हुआ है. So how was the overall experience?
It was quite nice, and this year I'm expecting it to be a wow experience for us because we are working on a wow version. So I do expect a wow from Shine, and hope I'll get that.
Okay, and apart from that, do you have any idea कि इस बार fashion show भी होने वाला है?
Yes, I do have.
And are you participating in any of those dance performances or fashion shows?
No.
Not really?
No.
All right. Any other one would like to give it a try? All right. We got a girl in green. Hi. What's your name?
Nirbhika.
Nirbhika would like to say something about Shine 2013.
I have just attended one annual function which was a great success. So I'm very excited to, attend the second one. So let's see. And fashion show, of course, it's a new entrance this time. So hopefully it would be a great experience.
Oh, well, fantastic. Or in other words, we'd like to see a lot of noise and a lot of shore sharaba. So in that case, I want all the gang members to join us this side. आ जाओ सब इस तरफ. आ जाओ एक साथ आ जाओ यार सब लोग काम. Yeah, because अभी एक साथ सबको चिल्लाना है. M-Dogs Rock Shine 2013. We are waiting. ठीक है, क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? एक साथ. ठीक है, चलो कोरस में आ जाओ सब लोग आगे आ जाओ यार. I would like to see your faces as well. Alright guys, see a lot of dhamaka happening right here, and we'll be moving up with the next section, but for now we got something, some of the gang members would like to say something right here. So what is it, guys?
M-Dogs Rock, we are waiting for Shine 2013.
Cut. Ready? On the count of 3, 2, 1.
M-Dogs Rock, Shine 2013, we are waiting.
Fantastic. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. We'll move on with the next one. Hello and warm welcome everybody. एक बार फिर हम आ गए हैं साउथ विंग में और काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, काफ़ी सारा शोर शराबा है, शाम का वक्त है और जैसा आप जानते हैं ये है शाइन 2013 का मेकिंग. वी हैव आशीष राइट विद अस. हाय आशीष, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Hi, fine.
ओके आशीष, जैसा आप जानते हैं शाइन 2013 आने वाला है, अभी 2-3 दिन बाकी हैं, तो मुझे कुछ अपने ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बताइए यार जो इससे पहले अपने एनुअल डेज अटेंड किए हैं.
Yeah, it was amazing experience previously. Like the Sonu Nigam concert is awesome. The family get together is really a cherished moment for us, for M-Dogs family. We can enjoy a lot. The food is very good there. Last time the La Meridian food was there.
क्या बात है यार, इन्हें खाना बहुत पसंद है यहाँ. हाँ, एनुअल डे का क्या बात है. दैट्स वेरी नाइस आशीष. एंड उसके अलावा मुझे बताओ यार, हाउ डज M-Dog आपको शाइन कैसे करता है? हाउ डज M-Dog मेक यू शाइन?
There are many concerts are going on, and many quizzes and all like going on, like the drawing competition and some other competitions are also going on. The treasure hunt previously last 2 days we got prize in the treasure hunt also, and like that we enjoy the.
So in a way you're saying कि काम के अलावा M-Dog आपको वो सारे platforms देता है कि you can come up with your overall talent, experiences and would like to showcase on that big platform.
Definitely, yeah.
Well, thank you so much Ashish. Stay around because I'm going to take some couple of bites and stuff. Any other girl? I can see the one in white. पकड़ो उनको. Come up. Hey, it's all right. Hi, what's your name?
I am Prachi.
Okay, Prachi, ये M-Dog में कितने साल से हो आप?
It's like 2+ years now.
2+ years. और इससे पहले आपके कुछ annual days आपने attend किए होंगे?
Yeah, I attended last
Okay, so how's the overall experience here?
Yeah, it was quite an interesting one. The first I attended was there was a celebrity, Sunidhi Chauhan was there. It was very entertaining and I really enjoyed a lot.
All right, and on a personal note, tell me कि who's your favorite singer?
Sunidhi Chauhan.
Sunidhi Chauhan, मेरी भी वही favorite है. और अभी what's your name?
My name is Prachi.
प्राची अभी हमारे लिए 2 लाइन गाने वाली है सुनिधि चौहान का गाना. You know it's going to be fun. Come on guys, this is Shine 2013. Make some noise guys. Come on Prachi, 2 lines.
No, I don't sing.
अरे it's okay, the way you want it. ऐसा भी कोई compulsion नहीं कि सुनिधि का ही चाहिए. The way you want it. Whatever song. If you want to dedicate to your song, to your loved one, your friend, your family, or I'm dog.
I'm blank right now.
Come on, 2 lines. Any other song, yeah, it's okay. Hey guys, please, relax. She's already nervous. 2 lines, that's it. वो मैं आपसे कमाऊंगा. What be that? पल रहे ना रहे, whatever. If you want to go with that song, I don't know.
Which one is that?
पल रहे ना, I don't know. Guitar पे गाते हैं something. Okay.
Maybe Shreya Ghoshal.
Go ahead.
पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल दिल 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 में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल. Thank you.
वेल जैसा आपने देखा शाइन 2013 का पल कैसे कटेगा. यू कैन सी इतना सारा एक्साइटमेंट है. फॉर नाउ लेट्स सी धूम मचाने के लिए वी गॉट लॉट ऑफ गैंग मेंबर्स आउट देयर. ये जो भाग रहे पकड़ो इनको. होल्ड हिम आउट देयर. कम बैक मैन. हाय व्हाट्स योर नेम? रविकांत जी. चलो मैं आपसे गाना नहीं गवाऊंगा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेक यू डांस एज वेल बट देन एक डायलॉग हो जाए यार. आपका फेवरेट हीरो कौन है? ऋतिक रोशन का एक डायलॉग बता दो. चलो सुना दो इन योर स्टाइल. कम ऑन. शाइन 2013 द मेकिंग. We have Ravikant right here with us and would like to say in his own style. चलो we'll make it easy for you. सलमान की दबंग देखी आपने? दबंग 2 देखी. 1 नहीं देखी आपने? 1 का डायलॉग सुना होगा आपने. हम आपकी बॉडी में इतने छेद करेंगे कि remember that one? Confused हो जाएंगे. Exactly.
I can अक्षय कुमार का बोल सकता हूँ मैं.
चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
राउडी राउतड़. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ और जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं डेफिनेटली करता हूँ.
Well. That was Ravikant. Thank you so much. Well, guys, but now what we'll do is I want you to come this side so that we can make a lot of noise, shouting. Come, सब एक आ जाओ एक साथ. Come, everyone here. Come together. Okay, now एक साथ सब लोग चिल्लाएंगे. M-Docs rocks. ठीक है? That is 1. टेक 2 में हम बोलेंगे शाइन 2013 वी आर वेटिंग. शाइन 2013 वी आर वेटिंग. ठीक है? पहला M-Docs rocks एंड देन शाइन 2013 वी आर वेटिंग. एक साथ आगे आ जाओ सब लोग. सबको कैप्चर करना है यार. आ जाओ सर. कम बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस वन. लाउड एंड क्लियर गाइस. ऑलराइट. इन तो दिखना चाहिए. आर्टिफिशियल नहीं लगना चाहिए. फील फ्री. इट्स योर वन बिग हैप्पी फैमिली. ऑलराइट, यू रेडी? ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3, 2, 1, go. That is take 1. Now take 2. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. Guys, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया शाइन 2013 the making is happening right here. बहुत सारा excitement है, बहुत सारी मस्ती है. But for now अभी मिलते हम एक stranger से मिले जिनका नाम है मनोज. और हमें अभी भी पता लगा कि पोस्टर कंपटीशन में he stood first. And मनोज से ही बात करते हैं. Hi मनोज, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, तो ये कंपटीशन कब था? इसके बारे में आपको कैसे पता लगा?
कंपटीशन एक मेल आया था शाइन की तरफ से कि कंपटीशन हो रहा है और पोस्टर कंपटीशन का थीम था शाइन द ग्लो ऑफ सक्सेस. और उन्होंने ये रखा था कि आपका कंपटीशन का जो पोस्टर है उसमें जो थीम है वो एक्सप्रेस होना चाहिए.
और कितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे वहाँ पर?
पार्टिसिपेंट्स उन्होंने पोस्टर आप घर से बना के ला सकते थे और घर से हमने पोस्टर बना के लाके यहाँ पे सबमिट किया और फिर वो इवेल्यूएट हो गया उसके बाद. और उन्होंने
डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया हाउ मेनी पीपल वर देयर वो कंपटीशन में?
आई थिंक सम 50 और मोर.
वेल मोर देन 50 कंटेस्टेंट्स में से ही स्टूड फर्स्ट. और वो पोस्टर हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर.
हाँ जी, अभी वो पोस्टर इनविटेशन कार्ड के ऊपर अभी छप के आया है. And I proud feel, I feel proud.
Well, absolutely वो proud feel होता है. Well, guys, just have a look. This is the poster जो मनोज ने बनाया and he stood first. Everyone, एंड नाउ मनोज, और इसके अलावा मुझे बताओ आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं शाइन 2013 को लेके?
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ।
किस बारे में, मतलब लड़कियां फैशन शो पे आने वाले इसलिए या ओवर से
शादीशुदा हो इसलिए?
वे ऑलराइट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम मैन। उसके अलावा और इसके बारे में आपको क्या पता लगा कि यू नो ऐसा क्यों ये खास मौका होता है कि सब एक साथ मिलते हैं, फैमिली मेंबर्स आते हैं एंड
फैमिली मेंबर्स एक साथ मिलते हैं और सबकी फैमिली एक साथ होती है तो अच्छा लगता है। और एक अच्छा सा इवेंट होता है कि एमडॉक्स की फैमिली पूरी एक जगह मिलती है और सब एक दूसरे से घुल मिल जाते हैं। जैसे क्लाइंट है, क्लाइंट मतलब हमारे जो कलीग है, कलीग की सारी फैमिलीज और सारे एक साथ मिलके एक फन मींस वी विल या
ऑलराइट। वेल, इसके अलावा आप मुझे ये बताओ कि शाइन का पोस्टर तो आपने अपने यू नो जो आपकी इमेजिनेशन में था आपने पोस्टर पे उतारा एंड यू स्टूड फर्स्ट। उसके अलावा व्हाट डज शाइन मीन टू यू?
Shine means it glow of success means like you are going to success. It's Amdocs success means अभी तक एमडॉक्स ने जो 30 इयर्स में पिछले साल 30 इयर्स का हमने जो सेलिब्रेशन किया, अभी 31st हम वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट। सो एमडॉक्स का जो सक्सेस है वो जो शाइन दिखा रहा है वही शाइन मेरे से इसमें मायने लगता है।
वेल फैंटास्टिक। वेल दैट वाज मनोज गाइस। स्टे अराउंड बिकॉज बहुत सारी बाइट्स, बहुत सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स आने वाले हैं यहाँ पर एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी समथिंग रियली फन, द वन यू हैवंट एक्सपीरियंस्ड बिफोर। स्टे अराउंड, विल बी राइट बैक। जो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर हम यहाँ गए हैं और कितने सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं, कितना सारा एक्साइटमेंट है, बट फॉर नाउ वी गॉट अ वेरी स्वीट गर्ल राइट हियर नेक्स्ट टू अस। हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Just a minute. Hi. I'm Jaspreet.
जसप्रीत, पंजाबी कुड़ी है यार। जसप्रीत, ओके टेल मी, अभी मुझे पता लगा कि आपने डांस कंपटीशन में पार्ट लिया हुआ है।
Yes. I'm
Okay.
participating in Amdocs Employee Dance Competition.
Well, fantastic. And is it a competition or it's just
Sorry, it's not a competition, it's just a performance.
it's a performance? And कौन से गाने पे आप परफॉर्म कर रही हैं?
They're gonna be like different dance instances. So one of the instances contemporary and other is Western.
Well, fantastic. और कौन कोरियोग्राफ कर रहा है आपको?
One of the choreographer Michael, he's from Michael Dance Academy, I guess.
And was it too difficult to match up his steps or something like that?
Yeah, a little bit because it was like after such a long time I was dancing, but it was fun.
And anything else would like to experience or you know share your experience कि ये जो आप practice के लिए जाते हैं, apart from your busy schedule, ये जो desktop पे बैठ के आप लोग पूरा दिन काम करते हो, उसके अलावा कितना आसान है ये जाके वहाँ पे डांस करना, practice करना?
It's fun. It's something different from what I usually used to do till now, and I'm enjoying it.
And is this your first year?
No, it's not my first year.
Alright, so मुझे apart from this season, this is going to be Shine 2013. What about the rest of the one annual day जो आपने attend किए हुए हैं? You just can share some of the experiences.
No, actually this is the first time I'm participating in annual function, but this is not my first year in Amdocs.
Okay, so it's been how many years?
Around 2 years.
2 years. Alright, so that was Jaspreet. Well, guys and dolls, as I said before, a lot of surprises coming up right there for you. The one you haven't experienced before. Stay around because बहुत सारी मस्ती, बहुत सारा धमाल. ये है शाइन 2013 का दावा. Stay tuned. Right, so friend, एक बार फिर हम आ गए हैं अगले तीसरे फ्लोर पर and for now again we can see थोड़ा एटमॉस्फेयर ठंडा है, काफ़ी सारे you know people are working really hard and काफ़ी सारा शोर नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन still क्योंकि आप जानते हैं this is Shine 2013. I am your buddy Sunny and comes up right there we got a girl, the one in green. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ritika.
Ritika, okay Ritika, तो Shine 2013 होने वाला है, कितने excited हो आप?
Yeah, I'm very much excited, obviously, and likewise, what it happened earlier, Sonu Nigam's event, Sunidhi Chauhan event. So I'm accepting the same, expecting the same that it will be.
Well, fantastic. And apart from that, ये जो आपने बताया कि सोनू निगम and सुनील चौहान जो आपके previous annual days में आए हैं, any other experience you would like to share with your friend? कोई ऐसा incident हुआ था कि you were laughing like louder, you know, the loudest laugh you had?
Yeah, like the peppy numbers for that, which are sung by them. Okay. We were dancing like a mad. So that was I will.
And do you have any idea who's going to come this year?
He's sorry, Vishal Shekhar.
And who's your favorite singer?
Mine is Sonu Nigam. Sonu Nigam.
Sonu Nigam. Okay, and Manju. I'm so sorry. Your friends. What's your name? Swati. And what's your name? Ritika. All right. So Swati is not here, but now Ritika is going to sing 2 lines for us, dedicated to Swati. All right. So come on, Ritika. It's going to be fun, yaar. Huh? Come on, 2 lines for your friend.
Okay. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Well, thank you so much, Ritika. That's so nice of you. Well, guys and dolls, for now we have got, जैसा आपने देखा, कुछ experienced खिलाड़ी तो हैं, उसके अलावा we have got some freshers. Hi. Okay, she's on a call. Very smart. We got another contestant right here. Hi. क्या नाम है आपका?
प्रतिभा.
प्रतिभा जी. Okay, जल्दी से मुझे बताइए कि कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप शाइन 2013 को लेके?
वही क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है ये कुछ पता नहीं है, so I'm excited. What it will be going on.
So it's going to be a total surprise for you.
Yeah, definitely.
और उसके अलावा जो आप कैफेटेरिया में रोज जाती हैं ऊपर 6th फ्लोर पर, ऑन 7th फ्लोर प्रॉब्ली, एंड आपने देखा होगा कि काफ़ी सारी प्रैक्टिस हो रही है वहाँ पे, रोज कंटेस्टेंट्स काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी हील्स पहन के आते हैं.
हाँ
कुछ से
नो आइडिया अबाउट दैट, क्योंकि काम थोड़ा सा होता है तो हम जाते हैं जल्दी से
एंड जल्दी से कोई फटाफट खा के आ जाते हैं. हाँ, ऑलराइट, चलो. एंड हु इज योर फेवरेट एक्टर?
ऋतिक रोशन. ऋतिक रोशन.
ऋतिक रोशन. एंड द लास्ट मूवी यू सॉ वाज थिएटर में. लास्ट मूवी कौन सी देखी थी आपने? अच्छा, याद नहीं आ रहा. चलो कोई बात नहीं. अब क्योंकि ये शाइन 2013 है और सरप्राइजेज, जैसा आपने कहा, यू विल बी टोटली सरप्राइज एंड द ऑडियंस वाचिंग दिस शो विल बी रियली सरप्राइज. अगर आप भी एक डायलॉग बोलते हैं अपनी कोई फेवरेट मूवी से, एनी वन, कम ऑन, इट्स गोना बी फन इन योर स्टाइल. कम ऑन यार, इट्स ओके. हम हर वी ऑल इंडियंस आर रियली बहुत हम ज़्यादा प्रभावित होते हैं ऑल दीज बॉलीवुड मूवी से लेके. अमिताभ को देखा तो 2 मिनट अमिताभ बन गए, सायरा बानू, हेमा मालिनी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. So, 2 lines of your favorite actor. It could be male, female, the way you want it. And जरा camera face कीजिए यार. Come on.
नहीं यार. Thank you.
Not really. Alright, right. She's too sweet and not really would like to go for the dialogue thing. But for now, we got a gentleman right there, and let's see what we have right here. Would like to share something. Hi, Cham. What's your name? भास्कर, आप बताइए यार अपने पास एक्सपीरियंसेस. How's the?
Yeah, actually, when I'm going to for the first experience, last year was my first experience. I don't know how it is going to be. And when I went there, actually I'm from AP, so I don't know Hindi. I don't know Hindi actors, Hindi movies, Hindi names, whatever. Total Hindi is new to me.
You're South Indian.
Yeah.
So not a problem. You can speak a dialogue in South Indian here. Come on, that's perfectly fine. We are big followers of Rajnikant and Naga Arjun and Chiranjeevi.
That is okay. I'm talking about my past experience which I had. Okay. So I don't know who is Sonu Nigam also until I saw.
Ajay, he came over. Okay.
Yes, he came over.
I'm sure you have no idea about Vishal Shekhar as well.
Yes.
They are the biggest stars here in all top Bollywood movies. They'll be they're performing and they are being a part of this big Bollywood numbers. But now
once I seen the excitement or the atmosphere in this, yes, it was totally exciting for me, and I also enjoyed a lot dance to the extent.
Well, fantastic. So in that case, I would like to see you in the cafeteria within the next 15 minutes, because a lot of surprises are going to come right there for all the loving people as well, because who don't understand Hindi and English, we have got something really special which you do understand and going to have fun.
That is fine, but you need my manager approval for that.
Well, probably we will take care of that one. Thank you so much, Bhaskar. Thank you, guys. We'll move on with the next session, guys and dolls. As I said before, stay around. Shine 2013, the making is happening right here, and बहुत सारी excitement, बहुत सारे surprises coming up just for you. Stay tuned. Sunny is back again, and for now आ गए हम different wing में. बहुत सारे लोग हैं and काफी काम वाम चल रहा है. Like, and still we managed to get somebody from the team member. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Harshil.
Harshil, just give me an idea here. How's your past experiences in annual days, AMDOC annual days?
Yeah, the past experience, I've been here since 3 years. I've attended 2 annual days. One of them being when Sunidhi had come. That was an awesome one. We had enjoyed a lot. Then it was the last year where we had Sonu Nigam. That was also a good one, and especially the food was great at that time.
Well, I'll tell you what, absolutely all these big celebs comes and they entertain you all, but then I think this is not actually a major thing of being a part of this annual days, AMDOC annual days. What makes it so special, Shine 2013 would like to know कि what is that one thing that's come together. अब सब इतने सब साथ में मिलते हैं, family members comes out there. So something like that would like to share.
Yeah, it's like most of the times we come in shifts over here, so most of the time it's like the entire team is not together. But during the annual days, we all together and enjoying. And it's like entire Amdocs is there. We get to see new people whom we haven't even met during what we work.
Family members and kids.
Yeah, exactly. You know, like the families come together, then we get to meet them, right? Then we spend a lot of time with them. It's like that. So we get to know people more.
Well, that's fantastic. And apart from that, would like to know ki how does Amdocs makes you shine?
Amdocs makes me shine. It's like whenever there is some development sort of a thing for our career or as well as extracurricular or something like that, Amdocs gives us an opportunity
Equal chance and platform to be a part of it.
To be a part of it.
Well, thank you so much, champ. For now, we got a very sweet girl standing out there and giggling. For now, I'm going to take a little bites out there. Come. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Kritika.
Hi, Kritika. All right, so finally you are here. So now you can share your experience as well. How's the overall, Shine 2013 होने वाला है 3 दिन बाद. कितने excited हो आप?
मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा excited हूँ because this is the first time I am attending an annual event of Amdocs. I've just joined. So obviously I'm excited because I'll get to see, the actual strength of Amdocs, everyone there, and yeah, it'll be nice. So.
All right, and apart from this, you have any idea that this is a fashion show happening, the dance performances happening?
Right. We keep getting mails about that, so I know what is in store, but it'll be exciting to actually watch it. So.
But then why don't you? Why you're not a part of this fashion show or what do we say, dance performances?
No, not me. It's not me. So.
Okay, and any one more thing would like to give it what does shine mean to you?
Amdocs in general, it encourages us to do a lot of things. During the past 2 weeks, our team has also taken part in a lot of inter-team events. So that way, it's really nice. It doesn't concentrate only on work. So yeah, that's nice that it encourages in all fields.
Well, fantastic, and would like to know ki you're totally gel with your team members.
Right, absolutely.
Well, in that case, I want your team members to join you as well. This section, come, because for now everyone is going to sing a song for us. It's going to be a group song. Come on, guys. Shine 2013. I want you all people to dedicate one song to all the lovely audience watching you out there. One group song. Decide कौन सा गाने वाले हैं आप लोग. The way you want it. हम लोग showcase कर देंगे हमारे, So come on. जो भी गाओ शिद्दत से गाओ दिल से. Whatever you feel like. Come on, guys. कोई team वाला गाना या something कुछ ऐसा. गिटार सॉन्ग्स हैं कितने सारे यार कम ऑन पूरे तुम लोग गाते रहोगे आईपॉड्स एंड फोन्स पे सब गाने ही गाने एनी वन सॉन्ग ग्रुप सॉन्ग कौन सा आता है भाई जल्दी बोलो दैट्स अ गुड चॉइस वो कौन सा है पर ये रहे ना रहे और डूबा डूबा if you want to sing डूबा डूबा
लूज कंट्रोल भी गा सकते हैं हम लोग
या व्हाटएवर
ठीक है स्टार्ट डूबा डूबा रहता हूं
पहले डिसाइड करो यार नहीं तो यहाँ से दो कोई अलग गाना वहाँ से कुछ और
रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Kritika. Thank you, guys. For now, एक साथ अब सब take 1 लेंगे जिसमें आपको चिल्लाना है Amdoc rocks, ठीक है? And then take 2 जिसमें आप बोलेंगे Shine 2013. We are waiting. Fine? All right. Take 1 and take 2. 2, 1, go.
Amdoc rocks.
Perfect. And now we'll move on with the next one. On the count of 3 again. 3, 2, 1.
Shine 2013. We are waiting.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Hello and warm welcome everyone. एक बार फिर हम आ गए हैं दूसरे टेक पर. सेशन डिफरेंट है लेकिन काफ़ी सारे फ्रेशर्स हैं यहाँ पर और जो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं एंड थोड़ा नर्वस भी हैं कैमरे पे आने के लिए. बट फॉर नाउ वी गॉट अ वेरी स्वीट गर्ल, द वन एंड हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
शुभांगी.
शुभांगी. अच्छा, इन्होंने बोला कुछ, अभी तक ये सिर्फ स्माइल कर रही थी. ओके शुभांगी, कितने टाइम से हो आप एमडॉक में?
4th March from 4th March आए हो.
अच्छा 4th March, बहुत रिसेंटली अभी भी आप आए हो? हाँ. ओके, शाइन 2013 के बारे में कुछ सुना है आपने?
यस, सुना है.
कि एनुअल डे होने वाला है ऑन अ बिग प्लेटफॉर्म, है ना?
यस.
Okay, तो इसके बारे में you have any idea कि वहाँ क्या क्या होने वाला है, क्या surprises आने वाले हैं?
Actually, Vishal Dadlani is going to come there.
Vishal and Shekhar.
हाँ, Vishal and Shekhar, and I am excited to meet them.
Fantastic. और उसके अलावा आपकी टीम मेंबर्स भी हैं काफ़ी सारे एमडॉग के जो डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस कर रहे हैं, फैशन शो में पार्ट लिया उन्होंने.
No, I don't.
You have no idea about it.
No.
ओके चलो नो प्रॉब्लम. इन जनरल अभी हम इससे टेक्निकल ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछूंगा मैं आपको. Who's your favorite actor?
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan, I knew it. Okay, and the last movie you saw was?
Dabangg 2.
Dabangg 2. चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I'm going to give you two choices. या तो आप सलमान का एक डायलॉग सुना दो मुझे या फिर दबंग मूवी का एक गाना. 2 lines. Come on. Come on, Shubhagi, it's going to be fun. 2 lines for your friends, the people watching you.
2 lines. जब मैं कमिटमेंट कर लेता हूँ तो अपनी
यार ऐसे तो नहीं बोलता सलमान खान इतना शर्माते हुए. In that attitude, you know. Just see the camera, that's it. ये जयकांत शिकरे, whatever his name is, you know, वो कौन, you know, the villain, and then go on.
एक बार मैं कमिटमेंट कर लेता हूँ तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Well, fantastic. Well, guys, as you can see, some of the guys sitting out there, they're trying really hard, but then still, they're a lot of fun. And for now, let's move on to the next contestant. Hi. What's your name?
Akanksha Dekani.
Akanksha. Okay, Akanksha. तो आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो शाइन 2013 को लेकर?
Very excited. Yes.
और आप पूरा दिन सिर्फ काम करते हो या काम के अलावा भी बहुत सारी मस्ती करते हो?
I've chatting and all. I've also do this and apart from work for refreshment, I sometime do Facebook also.
Well, that's so nice of you. But now what we say is we are looking for Shine 2013 as काफ़ी सारे experienced लोग हैं यहाँ पर, लेकिन यहाँ क्योंकि freshers काफ़ी सारे बैठे हैं. So not really, but I'm just going to ask you one general questions. If you're going to give me the right answer, I'm going to give you one prize.
Okay.
ठीक है? महाभारत के बारे में सुना है आपने?
Please, no, please.
Oh, come on, yaar, it's going to be a simple. Okay, chalo. Have you read a book, Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Who's the writer of the book? Well, what is it happening, guys? Okay, Shubhangi would like to give it a try. Okay. It's going to be a simple one. Mahabharat. ठीक है? चलो महाभारत के बारे में a basic thing. You just need to give me the right names of 5 Pandavas. That's it.
भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल, सहदेव और पांचवा
सबसे बड़े भाई को भूल गए आप?
वही तो
Yudhishthir is the one. Yeah, one for you. Congratulations. Do try with the next one. Well, Akanksha, not a problem. I'm going to come back right there with a new question for you. Yeah? All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Moving on with the next one. Chalo. All right, so friends, एक बार फिर हम आ गए एक different section में और for now we got a lot of gang members sitting out there and making their lovely smile. And the people sitting out there and watching the show, get ready because Shine 2013 को लेके कितने excited हैं आइए हम उनसे पूछते हैं. Hi, क्या नाम है आपका?
रुग्वेद ठाकुर. Rugved.
Rugved, just give me an idea. Shine 2013 happening on 6th of April at Lakshmi Lawns. आप कितने excited हैं इसको लेकर?
हाँ, इस my first year at M-Dog, so मैंने कभी देखा नहीं annual day कैसे होता है, so I'm excited.
Okay, और इसके बारे में कुछ मालूमात हुई होगी, gossips हो रही होंगी यार, पेंट्री में आपके
शेखर आ रहे शायद से परफॉर्म करने, and बहुत से सेलिब्रिटीज आएंगे, मे बी परफॉर्मेंस होंगे M-Dogs के एम्प्लॉयज़ के.
और M-Dog में आप कितने महीने से हैं?
अभी 10 महीने हो गए.
10 महीने हो गए. सो M-Dog में मुझे बताओ काम के अलावा और क्या क्या एक्साइटमेंट होता है और M-Dog क्या क्या वो प्लेटफॉर्म देता है आपको शोकेस करने के लिए अपने स्किल्स और टैलेंट?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कबरा शबाब में बहुत मज़ा आता है. देन एनवायरनमेंट एकदम मतलब टेंस फ्री है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. सीनियर्स बहुत हेल्प करते हैं, सब अच्छा चल रहा है एकदम. एंड
व्हाट अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी जो है, जो ये सब बंदोबस्त कर रही है, इनसे आप रूबरू हुए हैं कभी?
नहीं,
इतना नहीं. बिकॉज आपने किसी ऐसी एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया अभी तक?
नहीं, ये एनसीसी का हुआ था, इसमें मैंने गिटार प्ले किया था, बस वही क्या है अब तक.
That's it. Well यार, अगर आप गिटार प्ले करते हैं तो आई एम श्योर आपकी आवाज़ भी अच्छी होगी. 1-2 लाइंस हो जाए.
एकदम बकवास है. नहीं,
हम लोग काम चला लेंगे यार, हमें बकवास आवाज़ की तलाश है यार. चलो.
मैं नहीं गा सकता.
हाँ,
बता सकता हूँ.
सिर्फ बता सकते हो. कहाँ है गिटार आपका?
अभी थोड़ी ना है मेरे पास.
ये देखो, a good question. आइए इनसे पूछते हैं. Come. Hi champ, what's your name?
Rakesh Malviya.
Rakesh Malviya. And what's your friend's name? Rugved. Come. आप दोनों आ जाइए. Now what we'll do is ना हम आपको गाने के लिए कहेंगे ना बजाने के लिए कहेंगे. It's going to be a task. It's just going to be a 60-second task. एक छोटा सा गेम हम आपके साथ खेलने वाले हैं और आप दोनों में से कुछ मिलेगा, कुछ तो मिलेगा, ठीक है. और द नेम ऑफ द गेम इज मिनी एंड मैक्सी, जिसका मतलब है 1 मिनट में मैं आपसे एक चीज़ मंगाऊंगा. वो चीज़ आप दोनों में से जो सबसे ज़्यादा ले आएगा विल गेट अ प्राइज, अ गिफ्ट. Clear with the concept? So let's see how fast you can do this. All right. So guys, check this out. Two cool boys, one simple task. Mini and Maxi name of the game. And जो 60 seconds में जो चीज़ आपको यहाँ लेकर आनी है, 60 seconds that is 1 minute. Fine? 1 मिनट में जो चीज़ आपको यहाँ लेकर आनी है वो है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 rupee coins. 1 रुपए के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सिक्के. Time starts right away. Come on. 60 seconds. Boys trying really hard with the task. Watch it. Get going. जल्दी 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 देखो 1 रुपए के कितने ज़्यादा सिक्के हैं इनके पास. जल्दी जल्दी 20 सेकंड हो गए. कीप मूविंग. टाइम इज रनिंग. कीप मूविंग. जल्दी 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 जल्दी. ऊपर 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. $20 seconds, boys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Time up. Chalo. Fantastic. See, it's got a lot of change. चलो आ जाओ भाई.
5, 6, 7.
आ जाओ. आप लेट हो गए. कितने हैं?
अरे तेरे पास भी 2 ही है. अरे इतने सारे हैं.
well, ये कुछ बजाने की बात कर रहे थे. But then some way or the other you couldn't pull this up. एक मिला है, but कोई बात नहीं. और आप पूछ रहे थे क्या मिलने वाला है. हाँ. Well, चलो no problem. But for now we have got 2, 4, 6 and 7. Well, a big congratulations, Sam. Well, on that note, you'll be getting something really special. You need to come to cafeteria. और उसके अलावा क्योंकि शाम का वक्त है कुछ मीठा हो जाए. And one for you. Thank you so much. Yeah, grab this. Share with your partner as well. The prize. This is. I'll tell you what. Prize is not. It shouldn't make any difference here. The fun. That's the key. All right. Well, guys and dolls, we'll move on with the next one, and I can see some of the ladies as well would like to give it a try. Hi, the one in red. Come on, we'll take a bite. No, it's perfectly fine. You can sit over there. You can. No. All right, we'll move on with a different floor. Come, Ganesh. All right, so friends, एक बार फिर हम आ गए हैं. This is Shine 2013 Glow of Success. But now we have Mr. Reddy would like to share a small detail about his past experiences. Come, Reddy साहब. Hi, how are you doing? Hi. Okay. कितने साल से हैं आप एमडॉक में?
Nearly 2 years.
2 years, and would like to share any of your experiences related to annual day?
Annual day, the last annual day was very exciting. The Viva was very good, and we enjoyed a lot with our friends.
And what was that one thing that makes you so that makes Shine or these annual days so special?
Being with close friends.
But then mostly you are with all your buddies are your close friends, right? But then apart from that, I guess family people also come over there, and that's one moment, you know, you are out of the box, out of the office, and then catch up with your seniors and your juniors as well.
Yeah.
Something like that. Okay, and apart from that, Shine के बारे में आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे? Would like to say something about Shine? How does MDocs makes you shine?
It's making me shine the way what I get the work. The way I do work and the way I get the work. It makes me shine.
Okay, and apart from work also, MDoc comes up with a lot of platforms and circle activities and you know stuff like that. You have heard of such things? किसी और activities में आपने part लिया apart from work?
Not exactly.
You're kind of a boring person, something like that? नहीं मतलब something like workaholic ऐसे होते हैं कुछ लोग कि सिर्फ काम करना पसंद करते हैं. They don't like to, you know, get entertained or something like that.
I try to give a try for some things like some indoor games, but
All right, so now I'll tell you what, we have got good news. We have got a chance. We have got a try. You can attempt a try. There's a camera. There are a lot of audience watching you out there. So we would like to see you singing. Just 2 lines if you like to try. The way you want it. Either it be English, Marathi, South. You're South Indian, Mr. Reddy, yeah, of course. So कोई भी 2 lines गाना हो जाए. Shine 2013. People are watching you for your friends.
I'm not getting any.
Come on, yeah, 2 lines. That's it.
चलते चलते मेरा नाम तू याद रखना कभी
It's not Mera Naam. It's Mere Geet. Well, Reddy ji, not a problem. Thank you so much for that lovely token of words and appreciations. And we are really excited. And we'll be having a lot of fun at Shine 2013 at the main event. For now, we have got some of the guys and people sitting out there. Hi. What's your name?
संगीता.
संगीता जी. संगीता जी, आइए. ओके, कुछ अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बताइए हमें एनुअल डे से रिलेटेड.
एक्चुअली आई एम न्यूली जॉइन.
ऑलराइट, चलो कोई बात नहीं. तो शाइन 2013 के बारे में कुछ आपने उड़ती खबर सुनी होगी.
हाँ सुनी तो.
ओके, कितना एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि आफ्टर कॉलेज दिस इज माय फर्स्ट इवेंट एंड इन कंपनी सो हैप्पी एंड सो एक्साइटेड.
वेल फैंटास्टिक. और आपने कुछ प्रिपरेशन किया उसके लिए कि कौन सा नया ड्रेस वेस पहन के जाने वाले हो आप?
अभी तक तो नहीं, टाइम नहीं मिला एक्चुअली.
आपने पासेस लिए कि नहीं अभी तक?
नहीं, एक्चुअली कल हम लोग गए थे कलेक्ट करने के लिए, लेकिन हमारी नाम ही नहीं था लिस्ट में.
Oh, but not a problem. You'll get your pass. But then I'll tell you what, I just would like to share one more detail. आप ही के एक एम्प्लॉय हैं, इसके ऊपर जो मैं फ्लोर पे था, आई वाज टेकिंग इंटरव्यू, मिस्टर मनोज, जिन्होंने पोस्टर कंपटीशन में फर्स्ट प्राइज जीता है और उन्हीं का पोस्टर उस पास के ऊपर उनकी पोस्टर की पिक्चर आई है.
Yeah.
Well, that's so nice, Sangeeta. For now, the one sitting out there, Mr. Macho Man. Hi. What's your name?
Gaurav.
Hi, Gaurav. Chalo, tell us something about Shine 2013.
What I can say about Shine 2013.
Whatever why you're so excited? वो कौन सी एक चीज़ है जो इतना excited create कर? विशाल शेखर. उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं?
Because last year it was amazing seeing Sonu Nigam in the live concert with much less distance. It was amazing last year, so we are looking forward.
And they were so friendly?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and apart from that, how does MDocs makes you shine?
Yeah, there are lots of opportunities in every field, every area of interest, so we can improve ourselves personally, professionally, and learning opportunities are endless.
Okay, and apart from that, if you would like to share something like what does Shine stands for you?
Shine means whatever we feel that we can do something good in that, and we are getting the opportunity to do that thing. So I think that's the shine.
And any other message you would like to give to your friend or your subordinates or the seniors management team?
Enjoy.
Related to?
Just wait for the 6th and enjoy a lot.
Well, guys, fair enough. As I said before, Shine 2013 Glow of Success, 6th April happening on a big platform. Vishal Shekhar, people are really excited about the food. Vishal Shekhar and a lot of musty with their family members. Stay around, we'll be right back with some more news on this. Thank you. Friends, एक बार फिर आ गए हैं हम एक different floor पर. ये है Shine 2013 The Making. Going to have a lot of fun because for now we have got a gentleman. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Rohit.
Rohit, I would like to know यार Shine 2013 के लिए आप कितना ज़्यादा excited हैं?
मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ. मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर है एमडॉक्स में, सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
ओह फैंटास्टिक. और इसके अलावा कितना आपने कुछ इसके बारे में सुना है कि क्या क्या होने वाला है, कुछ सरप्राइजेस?
जो मैंने सीनियर से सुना है कि काफ़ी फन इवेंट होता है ये, और ऑब्वियसली किसी सेलिब्रिटी का परफॉर्मेंस होगा, तो आई वुड बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट एंड ऑफ कोर्स फूड.
वेल फैंटास्टिक. एंड रोहित, इसके अलावा मुझे बताओ कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम वर्क एमडॉग आपको और कौन कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म्स देता है टू showcase your talent and come up with some different activities?
Actually, I'm interested in sports, so there are many sports events that MDocs organizes. वो है, फिर कल्चरल इवेंट्स भी चलते रहते हैं, अंताक्षरी वगैरह. सो दैट वे हमारा माइंड.
So you don't feel under pressure और कुछ ऐसा?
Obviously, बिल्कुल.
And you're totally gelled up with your team members जो यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं?
Of course.
हाँ, लेकिन मुझे सबके फेसेस दिख रहे हैं यार. कोई किसी ने हेडफोन लगा लिया है, किसी ने स्क्रीन पर. Who's your best buddy यहाँ पर? कौन सबसे ज़्यादा क्लोज है आपके? उदय. कम उदय, आ जाओ. Hi Uday, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, so यार आप भी फ्रेशर हो?
नहीं, I'm experienced.
Oh, fantastic. So, would like to share some of your experience here, past annual days. कितना different होता है ये Amdoc annual day?
Yeah, annual day. Even last time I have enjoyed with Sonu Nigam. At last, before time I was in site, so I couldn't.
But then, apart from these celebrities coming up right there and entertaining you all, but then there's one more thing, you know, which makes you together for that one particular day. वो क्या चीज़ है?
Particular.
Like for annual day Shine 2013, वो ऐसा क्यों इतना excitement होता है? सिर्फ celebrity show है या कोई आ रहा है इसीलिए या?
नहीं, ऐसा ही कुछ नहीं. First thing is पूरा get together. And one more thing, we have few other events like dance competitions and all. And food.
And apart from that, you also think कि family members आते हैं वहाँ पे वो है ना?
Yes.
Come to know आप कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, कितना बड़ा organization है आपके friend circle.
Yeah, friend circle and family members.
आप last time किसके साथ आए थे? मम्मी के साथ, डैडी के साथ?
No, actually my family stay in Hyderabad, so I'm single.
Oh, so you were like all bachelors and stood, huh? All desi bandes, just looking for some beautiful chicks around.
Obvious.
Well, all right. Now on that note, I want Rohit and you to sing few lines, Shine 2013, you know, to all those people watching you out there. एक दो line in your style.
Any song?
Any song, any song.
कुछ भी नहीं पहले.
दोनों मिलके, come on.
तुझे दे रहा हूँ option.
गाना तो बोलो.
अभी कुछ याद नहीं.
याद करो, and what about the lady out there? You can call. Hi. Come. All right. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Navneet Kaur.
Avneet Kaur. All right. Punjabi कुड़ी?
Yeah.
Well, क्या बात है? आप fresher हो या?
नहीं, 2 years experience.
Okay. Fantastic. So इसके अलावा मुझे बताओ यार, annual day कितना excitement होता है हर साल?
People have lot of excitements. Girls usually do shopping, and they book their parlors for this. They really enjoy this annual day eve.
Okay, and इसके अलावा अभी आप कैफेटेरिया में जब जाते हो तो आपने देखा होगा बहुत शोर शराबा हो रहा है, शाम को प्रैक्टिस चल रही है, कुछ हो रहा है. आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया है कि नहीं कहीं?
नहीं, मेरा प्रोजेक्ट में इतना काम है, टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है.
अरे बाप रे. So any of your friend members who are there in that fashion show thing or dance, आपके कोई colleagues?
हाँ, 1-2 हैं.
तो क्या कुछ खबर मिली, इंटरनल खबर, कितना एक्साइटेड है और कितना टफ होता है काम के बाद वहाँ जाके रिहर्सल्स करना?
थोड़ा हेक्टिक तो होता ही है, एक्स्ट्रा तो रुकना ही पड़ता है ना उसके लिए.
ऑलराइट. और शाइन 2013 को लेके आप कितना ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं?
बहुत ज़्यादा. हाँ, I cannot express.
Well, fantastic. I can see that from your smile. And now tell me, how does MDoc make you shine?
How does MDocs makes me shine? By giving such a friendly atmosphere and by organizing such events, it makes me shine.
Well, fantastic. Well, that's a beautiful answer. For now, you can also join us with us because for now, ये दोनों बंदे एक छोटी सी 2 लाइन गाने वाले गाने के. But now I want, it's perfectly fine. That's the reason I'm saying group में आ जाओ आप लोग. We'll sing 2 lines. Come on, आ जाओ. Come, you also join us. Come on, sir. Come.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो.
One sec, यार ऐसे लग रहा है बंदूक रखी है सामने and then you're singing. Feel that song, guys. Your camera, your office. Annual day, Shine 2013. Feel it, you know. Smile, जरा लेके आओ. Feel out of the box.
शाइन ये नहीं, कोई कहे सुनिए, कोई कहे कहता रहे DCH.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice song.
कोई कहे कहता रहे जितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना. जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना. यो
गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना.
बिगड़े दुनिया
बिगड़ने भी,
झगड़े दुनिया
झगड़ने भी,
लड़े तो दुनिया
लड़ने भी,
हम अपनी धुन में गाए दुनिया रूठे.
रूठने दो,
बंधन
टूटने दो,
कोई
टूटने दो,
ना घबरो.
All right, fair enough. Now stay there. We'll take 1 जिसमें आपको चिल्लाना है MDoc rocks. ठीक है? And then take 2, Shine 2013. 3, 2, 1.
MDoc rocks.
Perfect. Now take 2 जिसमें आप बोलेंगे Shine 2013, Glow of Success. ठीक है? Globe of success. Clear with the concept? Alright, come together. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shine 2013, Globe of Success.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Stay around. Yeah. Okay, hello and a warm welcome each and every one of you guys. Shine 2013, the making happening right here. For now, we are totally in a different section. People are a little working, but then हम इन्हें disturb करने आ गए हैं because for now you got a lady out there. Hi. Hello. What's your name?
I'm Neha.
Okay, Neha. कितने साल से आप M-Doc में?
3.5+ years.
Fantastic. So I want you to share some of your experiences related to annual day functions.
I had a good time in all the annual days since the time I've been in a part of Amdocs. Especially enjoyed the one when Sunidhi came last year. Sonu was good too, and I'm looking forward to this one.
Well, fantastic. And what makes so special all these annual days, especially M-Doc's annual days? You know, what is that one thing that makes so special?
That the fact that it is an annual day for us, at least we have a celebration once a year where everybody comes in with their families.
That's what I was looking for. Families, you know, family part is very important because
it makes you feel that your family is a part of Amdocs as well.
Absolutely. And how excited you are for the Shine 2013 because, you know, urti khabar aayi hai ki Vishal and Shekhar are going to come up.
Yeah, it was a confirmation that came on an email. I'm quite excited and looking forward to it.
Well, fantastic. And now tell me, how does M-Docs makes you shine?
It gives me the work-life balance that I need. It gives me the kind of work that I want. And eventually I go back home happy.
Well, that's the name of the game. Well, thank you so much, Neha, for that lovely smile and all those lovely answers. But now people stay around, going to have a lot of fun. Shine 2013 will be right there on 6th of April. Moving up with the next one, any of the gang member? Well, a couple of your friends left. Yeah? Okay. Anyone else? Yeah, we'll check. Hi guys, would like to give one view of yeah. Would like to give it a try. कितने साल से हैं आप M-Doc में?
It's third year.
Third year. All right.
And
Cool.
I didn't attend the.
All right, so friends, यहाँ पर हम कितने सारे लोगों से मिले, कई बातें हमने शेयर की और काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने बताया कि वो लोग यहाँ इस कंपनी में M-Doc में 3-4 साल से हैं, लेकिन ड्यू टू वर्क या मे बी यू नो सम ऑफ द लीव उन लोगों ने एनुअल डे मिस कर दिए. लेकिन फॉर नाउ वी हैव गॉट जेंटलमैन हु इज रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर शाइन 2013. आइए पूछते हैं क्यों. हाँ भाई, क्या नाम है आपका?
राकेश.
ओके राकेश, टेल मी कि आप इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड क्यों है कि शाइन 2013 आपने अटेंड करना ही करना है?
बेसिकली लास्ट 2 years में अटेंड नहीं कर पाया बिकॉज ऑफ सम फैमिली रीजंस.
ओके.
इस बार मैं आई होप मैं अटेंड करूँगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना आ जाए.
ओके. और ओके राकेश, इसके अलावा वो क्या चीज़ है जो इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट क्रिएट करती है एनुअल डेज को लेकर, स्पेशली M-Doc एनुअल डेज?
स्पेशली सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं, द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द इंडिया की बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं. तो
लेकिन अगर कोई सेलिब्रिटी नहीं आएगा तो आप एनुअल डे M-Doc एनुअल डे उतना स्पेशल नहीं रहेगा, आपका कहने का मतलब है?
ऑब्वियसली जब हम एडवर्टाइज करते हैं तो हम सेलिब्रिटी का डालते हैं तो अपना भी
तो ज़्यादा क्राउड आता है.
हाँ, तो
नहीं पता, मेरा मेन मानना था या मैंने जो काफ़ी सारे हमारे कलीग से बात की, उनका ये मानना है कि एनुअल डे इतना एक्साइटमेंट इतना है इसलिए है क्योंकि सब फैमिली मेम्बर्स सब एक साथ आते हैं. दे कम टू नो कितनी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है आपकी, कितने सारे फ्रेंड्स.
बट एज अ बैचलर आप देखोगे वो फैमिली मेंबर का क्राइटेरिया तो स्पाउस किड्स वगैरह है. तो एज अ बैचलर ये फीलिंग अभी तक मुझे नहीं आ रही है.
नहीं आ रही है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट मम्मी डैडी, वो आप यहाँ से नहीं आप बिलोंग करते?
यहाँ से नहीं, वो ऑप्शन भी नहीं है शायद. वो
अच्छा नहीं, वेल
तो भी मिला नहीं पाऊंगा.
All right, so no worries, Rakesh. We wish you कि you know you get the beautiful chick out then.
मैं शायद ज़्यादा enjoy कर पाऊँ.
Yes. और इसके अलावा मुझे बताइए कि Shine stands for what?
Shine
stands for what? Shine का शब्द आते ही आपके दिमाग में सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या आती है?
M-Docs.
Oh well, that's a smart answer. But then anything apart from M-Doc, if मैं personally आपसे पूछूं तो? I mean like there are so many activities. M-Doc काम के अलावा भी बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ देता है या टैलेंट प्लेटफॉर्म देता है जहाँ अपना टैलेंट शोकेस करें.
लाइक आप देखोगे कि तत्वा का है अपने पास, बाद में बीच में 1-2 हुए कि जैसे कि क्लब पॉइंट्स के होता है कि थिएटर्स एक्टिंग का कोर्स होता है. सो there are many platforms M-Docs is providing through which you can shine yourself apart from your like a day-to-day work. Like आप जैसे कि बीच में हुआ था कि आप फिनिक्स में जाके हमने ये किया था जो डांस था वो. हाँ, तो like that there are many things from which you can shine yourself in the social live also.
Well, fantastic. So, Rakesh, see you at the main venue. Well, make it up, guys and all. As I said before, this is going to be really special. Shine 2013 Glow of Success will be right there on 6th of April. Moving up with the next one at the cafeteria within the next. Hello, check. Make it louder. Well, hello, very good evening, everyone. The name of the game is only action. In minimum time, that is 1 minute. 1 मिनट के अंदर मैं आपसे एक चीज मंगाऊंगा और वो चीज आप लोगों में से जो सबसे ज्यादा ले आएगा वो बनाएं। इसका नाम है maximum number of that or alright, you can ask your colleagues and your colleagues such as watching show. All the way guys, 2 boys out of the class. 1 minute of चीज आपको यहाँ लेके आए हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ID cards, your ID cards, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, जल्दी 1 minute, जल्दी से 10 seconds. Team, come on, you got 10 more seconds. All right, come on, boys. Let's see what is the score. Fantastic. Easy. Yeah, better. Okay. What is it? क्या score हो गया यहाँ पे? You got 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to request, please grab your ID cards, which are very important. मिला क्या? Thank you. अपने पार्टनर का हाथ पकड़ के रखना है। जो भी टास्क है आपको एक साथ करना है। You're not supposed to leave your hand for another 60 seconds. मिनी एंड मैक्सी गेम का नाम 1 मिनट में एक चीज मंगाऊंगा। वो चीज आप दोनों टीम्स में से जो सबसे ज्यादा लेके आएगा उसको हम एक गिफ्ट देंगे। So all the best. Within 1 minute जो चीज आपको यहाँ लेकर आनी है वो है ज्यादा से ज्यादा belts. 3, 2, 1, go! Music, pump it up. जल्दी, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 60 seconds. Come on, ladies. 60 seconds maximum for the way. That's the game. Come on. Let's see who's the one. Go. Come on, guys. Hit them off. That's the game. Just say. Got around 5 more seconds. 14 more seconds. Keep running. Around 1 more seconds. 30 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out. Let's see what the score. Keep it up. How do you go? What is the score?
8, 9.
Alright, so the score is the team got 9 bits. They had tried very well, but then 6 was the score. Well, big congratulations to the winners. Girls, keep it down. And guys, help yourself. Come, grab your guys. Watch it closely. We'll go for a bit. Thank you so much. Congratulations again. Guys, for now what we can do is we are starting up with the next game. You make your team get ready so that we can start up with the game, the one you haven't tried before. Alright, make it up everyone. Hello sir, what's your name?
Naresh.
Nareshji, alright, so tell me how's it going?
It's going fantastic.
Alright.
We are having a lot of fun over here.
Okay.
And a lot of sweating.
Well, we can see that. And how about Michael? How's your choreographer?
Michael is fantastic actually. Yeah, but we were discussing yesterday. Looking at Michael, Siddharth said, this is guaranteed that having too much of dance cannot reduce the weight as well. So. And too much of weight doesn't relate to the dance as well. So.
But then what about the flexibility, the way he moves?
He's fantastic. He's fantastic. We have much leaner bodies over here, but still we cannot move the way he moves.
Well, maybe that's what we say, a professional guy. All right, apart from that, I would like to know, how different is this Shine 2013 from the rest of the annual days?
Different? We need to work it out.
Well, we can see that. That's the reason I'm saying any one thing we would like to, or any of your past experiences?
No, actually, last time when I was on the stage, it started with a fashion show and then got converted a little bit in the dance. So that was the expectations I came in. I said, okay, a little bit of dance, it's okay. When we came in over here, after first day, I was pretty sure that probably second and third day I won't be there. But it's so much of fun that I said, okay, let's give it a try.
Well, that's the name of the game, guys. As I said before, fun is what we are looking for right now. And any of the gang members would like to give it a try? Any of the shot? The gentleman right here with us. Hello, sir. On a serious note, काफी tense लग रहे हैं आप.
टेंस हूँ करके क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा एफर्ट मुझे ही लग रहा है इस पूरे टीम में. If you look at the entire team around here, so that's why I'm tense.
Okay, and apart from that, but I'm sure when you perform, when you practice, you have a lot of fun. एक तरह का workout भी हो and you feel stressed out. Have you tried before? इससे पहले भी आपने participate किया है in these kind of sessions?
No, never, and this is the first time. So the biggest achievement for me is my wife said you can skip your morning walk if you do this dance practice. So I'm welcoming that any day.
Well. On that note, moving up with the next one, I want all the gang members to join us right here so that we can scream, shout, one tone, come. We'll take one talk. आ जाइए सब लोग एक साथ. And we'll go one take in which you need to scream, MDocs rocks. Moving up with the next one. Next take, you need to say, Shine 2013, we are waiting. Loud and clear. All right, clear with this sign? Starting up with the first one. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Moving up with the next one. Session 2, Shine 2013, we are waiting. 3, 2, wait. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Fantastic. Well, come. We'll take a bite of Michael as well. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have fun. Oh, hi ladies. Come on. 2 lines. Anyone would like to give it a try? All right. Well, apart from the management team, some of the ladies are just running around. But for now, we've got a lady out there. Hello, ma'am. What's your name?
My name is Bhumi.
Okay, and how exciting is it, being in this chamber and practicing last one couple of hours?
It's really fantastic, and Michael is really good. I'm planning to continue taking classes with him after this practice. Don't tell him now.
No, of course, I will not.
But, it's fun. After so long, we are dancing. Generally, in our hectic schedule, we don't really dance or even take out some time for ourselves. But currently, at least an hour, we are spending here practicing together, having fun, which is really great.
Well, fantastic. And apart from that, any of the incident you would like to share with us from past annual days of MDocs?
Oh, I'm with MDocs for almost 7 years now. So I have witnessed 7 annual days. And I have performed in the first 2 ones. Fantastic. So I really remember those days. That time there were no choreographers hired as such. So we used to choreograph ourselves. And it was really fun. But this is also fun because now I do.
But then he's a professional, so is it too difficult to match up the steps with the professional one? It's too tough.
I think if you'll ask me this question, then it is not very tough because I am a trained dancer.
Oh, fantastic.
That's why it's not very tough. In fact, those steps are...
But for rest of the members or maybe your colleagues?
Yeah, for them, I guess it is little... Few steps are difficult, but Michael has taken care that that he gives simple steps, easy for everyone to learn. It's not very technical or tricky. So I guess he has taken care of that.
So you mean to say that this time the audience sitting out there and watching the show going to have a lot of surprises coming up?
Yes, I hope so.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am, on that note. Well, we'll call Michael. Michael? हेलो जनता जनार्दन, एक बार फिर हम आ गए हैं अपने फेमस कोरियोग्राफर माइकल के साथ. हाय माइकल, हाउ यू डूइंग?
आई एम गुड.
ओके बड़ी, सो ये मैनेजमेंट टीम के सारे सीनियर्स यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं और कितना डिफिकल्ट है इनको सिखाना और समझाना.
एक्चुअली डिफिकल्ट तो कुछ भी नहीं, इन लोग ने जल्दी कैच कर लिया. इट्स ओनली हार्डली वी फिनिश विद द 2 days एंड दे हैव टोटली फिनिश विद द कोरियोग्राफिंग राइट नाउ.
एंड
या और जो कोरियोग्राफी में इतना ये नहीं हो रहा है मुझे, मतलब दिक्कत नहीं आ रही है.
इसमें से कितने सारे प्रोफेशनल्स भी हैं, कोई ट्रेन डांसर्स भी हैं?
नो वन इज अ ट्रेन डांसर.
क्योंकि मैंने देखा हर 10 मिनट के सेशन के बाद सब पसीना पसीना हो रहे हैं. एवरीवन
या इट्स because they are giving a dedicate to totally dance, means continue dancing even in the break time. They continue stop me and ask what is this steps, what is this steps.
Fantastic. और उसके अलावा ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी कितना सपोर्ट कर रही है आपको?
ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी वाओ, दे वर ऑसम. मतलब कंटिन्यूस मुझे जब भी मुझे कोई भी हेल्प हो तो इमीडिएटली मुझे वो पूरा हेल्प दिया जाता है.
तो आपके कहने का मतलब है शाइन 2013 में कुछ बड़ा धमाका होने वाला है फ्रॉम योर एंड?
डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ा.
People are going to
Yes, definitely. We are going to have fun and all the organization.
Well, thank you so much. That was Michael. Thank you, Michael. And over to you. And guys and dolls, as I said, because time थोड़ा सा कम है हमारे पास, because बहुत सारा है सब कुछ यहाँ कैप्चर करने के लिए और बहुत सारा एक्साइटमेंट है बाहर भी अंदर भी. For now, moving up with the next one, क्योंकि अगला टेक हम लेने वाले हैं हमारे फैशन गुरु के साथ. जी हाँ, the fashion choreographer Stylish coming up right there within the next few minutes. Stay around. हेलो वेरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपका बड़ी फ्रेंड सनी और यहाँ हम आ चुके हैं कैफेटेरिया में टावर 2 में, जहाँ शाम को बहुत सारा एक्साइटमेंट है, बहुत सारा शोर हो रहा है और मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ काफ़ी सारे स्टड्स एंड ब्यूटीफुल चिक्स आर ऑल अराउंड बिकॉज दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग अ फैशन शो. जी हाँ, शाइन 2013 का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल एलिमेंट है एक फैशन शो जहाँ पर बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस चल रही है. एंड लेट्स सी, कोरियोग्राफर से जाके बात करते हैं कितना डिफिकल्ट था ये इन सबको प्रोफेशनल्स को वॉक करवाना रैंप पे. हे हाय, हाउ यू डूइंग? Good. All right, champ. So we have the fashion guru right here with us. And friend, just tell me, how's the overall experience? How's it going?
Very nice. And this time I've got a choreographer with me. That's Mr. Yog. And
hi Yog, how are you doing?
Yeah, it's good. We're working together this time. So now let's see how it goes.
All right, and how difficult it was with all these studs and all the chicks out there, to make them walk the way you want it actually on ramp?
It does. I mean, it is sometimes very difficult, they are more into the corporate and more on machines and stuff. So getting them on the ramp,
maybe the kind of attitude you're looking for, or
yeah, exactly, the attitude, the expressions. It is both.
We want smile and attitude,
both.
All right. And what is the theme all about?
It's this time it's going to be a message which we're going to show, pass on through this fashion show. It's about nature and the human beings. So the theme is all about nature versus human being, wherein we trying to say that don't mingle around with the nature. It'll stand up again.
Oh well, fantastic. Well, that's a good one. For now, would like to see some of the eye candies, or maybe probably the one notorious candidates of your gang members. Would like to say a few bites. Please. Let's see. Come on, guys. Well, say hi, guys. Capture the moment. Well, we have all the models out there. All right, anyone from the gang? The one in green cap, come. Hi, what's your name?
My green cap, Rohan.
Okay, Rohan. So, how's it going here? कैसे चल रहा है?
It's going good. It's going pretty good. I think we are having a good time here.
And Shine 2013 कितना special होने वाला है?
I think it's going to be awesome. I think we guys will rock the stage.
And are you a professional model? You have tried modeling?
No, but I'm trying. I think after this, I will be a model. You guys will see me walking on the ramp.
Well, fantastic. And apart from that, how difficult it was, coming out there for rehearsals after a hectic schedule of your work?
Yeah, I would say that is, quite complex because we have our work priorities, so we need to manage. So it's quite complex, but yes, we have the end too, so we are doing it.
Well, fantastic. Or any of the colleagues would like to give it a try? All right, we have somebody right here. You can see a kind of a Tere naam. Bhai sahab, kya naam? Oh God. Well, we have the gentleman right there. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, this is Akshay here.
अक्षय, तो जल्दी से मुझे बताओ यार, बड़े इतने लंबे बालों रखने की टिप्स बता दो, 3 टिप्स.
It's a secret. It's a secret. I cannot explain.
Alright, so just tell me ki how different it's going to be, because M-Docs, how does in a way M-Docs makes you shine?
Amdocs gives me internal power. It gives me the jazz that comes out. That's it.
So you're going to... Well, apart from that one, I would like to ask you ki how difficult it was, competing with all the rest of the colleagues out there, walking on the ramp, or maybe after your hectic schedule of your work, or maybe the shift timing.
That's true. It's actually kind of hectic to maintain your work and come out here and practice as well. But if you have to do it, you have to do it.
So you're a punctual guy? You come always on time?
You can ask other guys, yeah.
Well, let's see any other guy, the one in black. Hi, champ. What's your name?
Praveen.
All right, Praveen. So now tell me, what does Shine stands for you?
Shine stands for me. Actually, the shampoo which he uses and the glow on the faces of my friends when they walk the ramp.
Well, fantastic. And on serious note, just tell me ki, how does M-Doc makes you shine?
My God, that's a difficult question. Is it being recorded?
Yeah. Actually, it is.
My God, let me think of an honest answer then. No, actually, it gives you opportunities to go for co-curricular activities with the work we have. So, in this way, we can shine. Yeah, mixing fun with work.
And it's going to be your first year?
First year in Amdocs.
Yeah?
What? Fashion show, yes?
No, I'm talking about the fashion show, of course.
Yeah, it's the first.
And apart from that, give me your overall experience, You have witnessed the rest of the Amdocs annual days as well. So how different this time is going to be? Shine 2013.
No, definitely it's going to shine this time because we have fashion show this time. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to rock.
Well, so guys and dolls, make it up. So these are the guys, members who are totally confident it's going to be Shine 2013 in a different way, actually. So moving up with some couple of girls who would like to take a little bite. Hey, hi girl, how you doing? Say hi. Well, Omkar, what is it yaar? Sabki battery down hai? Kya ho gaya? Okay.
इसलिए है क्योंकि इनकी काफी अभी they're stressed out with work and on that lot of practice.
Oh, that's sad. But then anyone would like to give it a try? Their experience is the one in pink. Yeah, come. Hi, what's your name?
Snehal.
Snehal. Okay, so it's going to be a simple one. How's it fun?
Yeah, very much actually. This is the first time I'm doing the fashion show and it is really very, very fun. Previously I thought that in... Arey, shut up.
And what's that one thing, apart from work, that makes you different, being a part of this fashion show and coming up and chatting up with the rest of the members, because कई बार ऐसा होता है, हम लोग सुनने में आता है कि fashion show हो या models हो, cat fight बहुत होती है, यहाँ पे भी होती है?
No cat fight, sir. No.
सच में behind camera कौन किसकी बाल खींच रहा था?
No, कोई नहीं. We are peacocks, so we are peaceful.
All right. Any other colleague would like to try, give it a one? The one in lemon? Come. Hi, what's your name?
Preeti.
Okay, Preeti. So it's going to be a different one. Fashion show होने वाला है आपका, और ये कितना हटके है, कितना different है?
Well, I have done fashion show in my college, but this one is a different one. So watch out.
Okay, and how, as a choreographer, Omkar is,
he is a really good choreographer. वो बहुत कम चिल्लाते हैं, लेकिन जब चिल्लाते हैं तो everybody is shut.
All right. और आप लोग कितने दिनों से या कितने हफ्तों से ये रोज प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
Last 1 week we are doing it. This is the second week.
So how many themes are there, or you'll be?
Just wait for the show.
Well, they just don't want to disclose this, but it's going to be a surprise package coming up. Shine 2013, the fashion show. Any other one would like to give it a try, guys? Anybody? Yeah? The one in black? Go away. Rajesh? Chalo, come. So, Rajesh, who's your favorite actor?
Praveen.
All right, chalo, ek Praveen ka dialogue bol do yaar.
This time we're gonna rock the fashion show and the Amdocs annual day.
Well, fantastic. But now, guys, I want all the gang members to join us. We'll go for one. एक group गाना गाना आपको 2 line. जो भी, whatever feel like. Your favorite song. Yeah? Shine 2013. अरे गिटार वे यार कुछ भी डूबा डूबा whatever you want. पहले सबको आता है बता पूछ.
डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी, दीवाना
बन गया हूँ मैं
साथ में तेरी, गुजरते नहीं रातें कटती नहीं, तस्वीर से याद बनती नहीं, तू आ जा।
Well. Alright guys, for now would like to see इतने हफ्तों से जो आपने प्रैक्टिस की है उनका जस्ट एक सेशन हो जाए यार. We'll just copy. We'll take a batch. चलो, come on.
सही में करनी है.
Fantastic. आया शूट किया? That's it.
बस इधर ही पहुंच, इधर हाँ अरे anyone else wants to do some funny act? हाँ लड़को अरे अच्छा मत कहना रिप्लेस करेंगे. We are still in the business. This is more funnier. एकदम सरप्राइज इसको उठाना है. शुड बी सरप्राइज. इसको उठाना है. आपको भी इसको उठाना है. बस इसके ओवर एक्टिंग लाओ यार म्यूजिक लगा दिया तुम्हारे. एक सेकंड सरप्राइज. ये and walk like a girl. Sorry. Walk like a girl. One, two, three, go. Three, two, one, go. Perfect. And now, second one. Shine 2013. We are coming. 3, 2, 1, go. Shine 2013.